guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to share with you all of the back to school stuff from ERIN CONDREN. Okay, so before I dive into this box, I'm going to share with you guys a little clip of me going through the kids planner. My son was so excited to get into that and see it because we ordered it for him and he'd been waiting weeks for it. So we had just gotten back from our Disney trip. If you can't tell, huge Disney nerd over here. But I was exhausted. I was like, I want to save this for you guys when I am feeling rested. I haven't even opened any of it. I wanted to wait, but we did pull out his planner, so I'll share with you that now. Hey guys, this is Elizabeth and
me,
Ethan. We just got back from our vacation from Disney. If you want to see the vlogs or our adventures, it's over on the vlog channel, Medero Vlog Moments. But today we are unboxing
my planner
and some back to school stuff from ERIN CONDREN. All right, I'm not gonna make Ethan sit here throughout all the stuff, so don't mind our appearance because we just got home. We woke up at 4, we got on the road, we got home, and then this was sitting not on our doorstep. Our neighbor grabbed it for us, but he just brought it by, so I thought, let me unbox it really quick because he's very excited to see his stuff. So we're gonna jump in to what I ordered for you. And I wanna let you know before I get to, oh, the sun is peeking through those curtains. Let me close those. It's better, but now it's darker, so I don't even know. All right, so I ordered a planner for Ethan for back to school. I will. And it came in it has 12-month activity pages for creativity and problem solving, 12 months of undated calendar, 12 colorful and functional sticker pages for teaching kids organization is fun. So what I love about this is that it comes in a plastic carrying case so that he won't mess it up, and you can take your planner on the go. And we'll have to do a whole setup and share with you guys how we moved into it later. So this is your planner. Are you excited? I'll let you go through it just 1 second. It says "My dreams are out of this world" is the cover. And we can order different covers for you. So you can change it out. So you can design a cover and put Ethan's planner, Ethan's whatever.
I like this one right now.
And so it's got a planner page for the beginning. It's 12 months. It's so bright and colorful, of course, for ERIN CONDREN. This says all about me, so you can fill out all the information. My favorite color, your favorite food, my favorite hobbies, all the fun stuff. He's looking at all the stickers right now because every month we can set up. There's a goal tracker, reading log, whether he's reading. So cool. Goal tracker for the year. Allowance tracker.
I don't have allowance.
Well, we can work on it. What I'm saving for, books I want to read. So cool. Be kind. I am kind too, and it gives you 3 people you can choose to be kind to. And then the tabs are laminated for each month. So this month, morning routine, evening routine, and whose birthdays are this month? So cool. All right, and then here's the monthly. So the monthly spread looks similar to an ERIN CONDREN. And then make your own comic. This month I enjoyed, and then the next month. So morning routine, evening routine, birthdays, and then it's the month. So what I love about this is it helps kids learn how to start planning, and we can look at all of your assignments you have due, field trips if we have any this year. We got a puppy visiting us for this video, but every month. So we'll go through your stickers together and set up the month, right? You're not gonna do it without me, right?
Maybe I might.
No, I don't, because if you goof one up, then you've goofed up the whole thing. And then the very back, there's a coloring page. Cool. Got some crayons, pencil crayons, and that's it. And then it's the back. Super cool. And then here's the sticker sheets that go with it. I'll show you January's. It says today is, and you can write in what the day. And then there's some stickers that go with the new year, and then some dates. And I'm sure that every page is similar to that. What do you think?
Awesome.
And then you got a view of all the mini months. All right, so this is yours. All right, so he's excited to have a planner because he knows Mommy loves her planners, and so we are planning to have planner time together, which is kind of fun. And it's such an easy planner for them to get started. I really wasn't sure what it was going to look like, but it's very juvenile in the sense that it's like there's an all about me section and what's your favorite this and that, and so it's perfect for him to like fill it out, and then there's a month at a glance. So it's very hands-on. He was able to create a morning routine, an evening routine, like whatever he wants to put in there. I think it's so great and gets them start thinking about planning and being productive with your time. So I want to know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing for school? I've asked on Facebook and Instagram, and I want to know, YouTube family, what are you doing? Are you sending your kids back to school? Are you doing virtual? Do you even have a choice? I feel like this year, and it's just so crazy. Last year we didn't have a choice. I think it was March, everybody went virtual. We had to come home, and now we have a decision. Are we going to do virtual, homeschool? Are they gonna go? And we haven't decided yet as of right now when I'm filming this. So I'm gonna like jump into the goodies. ERIN CONDREN has a bunch of new stuff. I ordered all kinds of really cute stuff, and I'm just gonna share with you as I get it out. So I think this is new, and all of this is new to me. Most of it is anyway. Maybe I should get out my scissors. This is a rose gold tape dispenser. Look at that. So it's acrylic, but the holder that holds the tape is rose gold, and the part where you break off the tape. I just thought it was so pretty. Oh, and it's like wrapped in plastic so it didn't get wrecked in shipping. Look how pretty that is and sleek. So my office is Disney inspired, but it's also lots of teal, and then there are some like copper aspects. You can't see all of them, but there's some copper aspects around. So it's like a rose gold. I also grabbed a couple extra pen loops. I had ordered a notebook and also for my son's planner. So I think these are so great to add on the back cover of your books. I had ordered an extra planner, and I'll have to walk through it with you guys just to keep track of like our family memories. I didn't want to do that in my like hourly or in my daily because those are my schedule, but I wanted to do one just for like photos and memory keeping. So I put Medero Family Adventures, and then I did the mid-century modern circles in this like aqua color and the white. Oh, I guess I ordered 3 pen loops. I think probably for that planner too. Okay, this is new. I have never used washi tape with ERIN CONDREN's washi. So I don't know if they have the color names on it, but let's see if you can see, it's kind of bright. There you go. There's this pattern, and I don't know what that's called. But then this one's like the back to school. It's got like a teal apple and then the gold and white. And I thought these would be great because some of them are like a little bit multicolored. So if I'm doing spreads in my planner, it'll go with a lot of stickers. I feel like that's the most economical way to go. This is pocket scissors. I'm pretty sure these are new, but I thought these are great for planning on the go. So I mentioned we just got back from Disney, and these would have been really helpful to just throw into this thing. So I've got the zipper pouch here to take my planner with me, and then these are really narrow, and then they open up like that. So scissors. So I think that's so great to plan on the go. These are new too. These are called the hexagon pencil holders. They came in different colors, and it's a set of 3, and I thought it'd be really cute for my desk. I love this box. I wish that the logo wasn't printed on so I could reuse this for gifting. I love it. It's got the ERIN CONDREN like design on it. I love the patterns. I love the theming with all the things they have. And if I haven't already mentioned it, I will try to link everything down below. And if I have any discount codes or anything, I do have the $10 off. You get $10 off your first order, and then it gives me $10, so it's always a win-win. But if I have anything else, I'll share with you guys too. So it's got ERIN CONDREN in metallic on the bottom, but then it sits on my desk. So I could put, those scissors, a couple pens, some of my favorite things, and it's just so pretty. This is definitely my favorite color, like, definitely. I even have aqua chairs on the other side over there. Okay, I've seen these for a long time, and these are the multicolored dual tip markers. So there's a thicker point and then a fine point, and I just think these are so fun, and it has all the colors listed on the back. And they've had these for a bit. I'm sure they have different colors, but I just love it. It comes in a hard case. Great for back to school. I've seen other girls use these rulers, and they are beautiful. So this one is just a really big, nice acrylic ruler, and the numbers are brightly colored. You can barely see, but it is so pretty, and it's a big ruler. And then this smaller one, again, I think would be great for travel. This is a metal ruler, and it goes to, I think, how many, like 6 inches? Like it's not very big, but I thought this could go in the pocket of my planner, and it's a great ruler for on the go, especially if I'm using like a smaller bookmark and not the ERIN CONDREN bookmark that like goes in. That's the ruler. So I got a couple of the back to school rulers. I think they're so pretty. Let's see what else is in here. I think this is the last item I'm gonna share with you guys in this massive box, but I got the desk calendar, and it's metallic. So this isn't, it says it's the monthly desk pad for 2020 to 2021, from August to December of 2021, but it looks like it's starting, no, it starts August 2020 and ends in December 2021. Sorry, I'm reading it, but it's a big desk calendar, and I have a calendar on our fridge that's like the family calendar, but I thought for my desk, it'd be so great to have this as like a desk pad to work off of. So sometimes when I'm planning and I'm looking for things, it's nice to have it really laid out, and I'm noticing that the grid on it is metallic too, which is really pretty. I think I was confused when I was ordering this, because when it's advertised on the site, it's showing the front of this, but it says January 2021. So I thought this isn't going to be good until January, but I'm actually pretty excited it's going to be good for now. So I think this was a little bit more pricey, but I just loved the design, and I thought it would be great to have like a desk calendar. So let me know out of the back to school collection what you like the most. And if you have any little messages for Ethan, I will pass them along, because he's so excited for his planner. I may do an updated like plan with me with him if he's interested in sharing, or if you guys are interested in seeing. And I will have more planner videos, probably weekly. You guys know that I'm a big planner girl. So if you want to see any more of the Disney trip, I will be posting that on our vlog channel, Medero Vlog Moments. I have like a souvenir haul, a vlog, our hotel tour. We stayed on Disney property. All those kinds of things will be over on the vlog channel. Anyways, thanks guys for hanging out and checking out all the back to school collection. They do have more items on their site too. I just kind of got a sampling of all the different things to see what they have. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys.